welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I am unboxing a package. I was asked if I would like to order some products and review them on my channel. And this is it's Ieebee, and they have like washi tape and different paper crafting tools and products. And so let's see here what I picked out. As you can see, they packaged this very well to be mailed safely. Your products did not get damaged. This is a washi tape inspiration book, Ieebee. Scrapbooks and journal. It gives you lots of little ideas. How cute is that? Lots of different ideas from their company. Oh, I don't think I ordered these. So these might have been a free gift, maybe. I'll have to look and see and let you know. I'm assuming these. Okay, make a little notebook with these. Cute. I might have ordered those. I will. I think there is a coupon code. And then here's this little hole puncher. I don't think I ordered this either. This may have been a little freebie. Cute little hole puncher. Whoops. Yep. Works pretty good. Okay, there's that. And then I ordered this little paper trimmer. I thought this would be perfect to sit right here on my desk just for like a small little project. I have some scrap pieces of 110-pound cardstock here. So we'll see. How well this will cut. I probably want to stick with a thinner paper on that, but that is cute for when you're doing like your little journaling, scrapbook, or like, you know, your little tiny thin projects. Okay, so here is the meat and potatoes. We've got the washi tape. They have many different selections of beautiful washi tape, and I can't quite remember which one I ordered. This says, is this Mellow Wonder? Maybe? That's what it says on the bottom. Mellow Wonder, 55 rolls. Oh, look how pretty. Oops. You've got some sunglasses. Smiley faces, little hearts, cherries, leaves, some rainbows. It's just different shapes. Some little flowers and just some different shapes. Some dots. Some cacti. Some little leaves. Great for fall. More leaves, flowers. Some flowers. Some flowers and just some plain green. Some more flowers, some checkers, just some stripes. Love the collars. Just some little sprinkles, some donuts, flowers, some hearts and flowers, some oranges, some more beautiful flowers, strawberries, some matchy collar, little flowers, some more rainbows, and just some checker. And then you get into the tinier rolls too. Some flowers there, some hearts with flowers, little apples, some more little flowers, daisies, some cacti, different flowers, some, oh, these are cute, some sunglasses, great for summer vibes. It's like some pots of flowers, strawberries, just some like little confettis, different shapes, very small for me to see, little tiny rainbows, just different shapes and colors, like smaller ones of these over here. I love them. I think they're so cute. Let's test out the quality here. As you can see, it sticks well. It's not curling up. Okay, let's see if it rips when you take it off. Nope. Will it stick again? Let's try. I think it's of nice quality washi tape. It's got a little bump there. That's why it grabbed. It's not grabbing over here. Yeah, very, very nice. All right, I will have links for all of these products in my description box, and the link to the company in the description box, and a discount code, of course. If I have a discount code, I will put all of that in the description. I think it's a nice quality washi tape and vibrant collars, and the price was great for as many rolls as you received. So very, very nice. Very nice. All right, thank you all so much for coming to watch this video. Thank you, Ieebee, for allowing me to review your product. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a fantastic morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having so much fun. Thank you. Bye.